This is a video on the Manfrotto holster bag camera case. As you can see, just by with my hands here, it is a very small case. It is suitable for DSLR cameras, only small ones, so small DSLR cameras. I picked up this from Amazon for £13, and I'll show you. As you can see, I picked it up for £12.99. Originally price was $18.95, but I picked it up for £13. When you get the case, you get some literature with it, like this. So it's literature from Manfrotto, and it actually shows you how to place the camera in the bag, as you can see. So you get that. So this literature. Right, let's go around the bag. First things first, we have the Manfrotto logo on the front, which is made of plastic and quite shiny. We have a slight reflection strip here, which is kind of rope looking, as you can see. We go around that side, and we have an eyelet on either side. So we have one eyelet there, one eyelet there, and it comes with a shoulder strap. We have the belt clips here, so it can be you can thread your belt through there, and it can be worn on the waist. Another Manfrotto label here and logo, which is made out of rubber. And we have a pocket to the side here, and it's an L-shaped zip pocket. And as you open up, it's red inside. Now the outer part of this pocket is slightly padded, but this is, my guess, is to put your flash in there or your cards, etc. So it's a nice pocket. It's kind of deep, I'd say deepish pocket. And now we have the main pocket, and on the main pocket here we have the Manfrotto zipper, and these are YKK zips. So Manfrotto on the zipper. Oh, and lastly, I forgot, we got a handle, nice padded handle here. We unzip that. Now inside we have a pocket here on the flap. As you can see, it's quite a wide pocket. Not zipped. It is not zipped nor velcroed. It's just a fold over pocket, as you can see. We have a typical shoulder strap, no padding at all on it. It's just a typical shoulder strap. We have the Manfrotto name here, just a label to say genuine product, and inside we have another label, Manfrotto protection system. Now in here is quite padded. It is very padded. I'll leave a link up here to another Manfrotto holster case that I reviewed, and I'd say this one is more padded than that one, even though that one is bigger than this. So this one is really padded out, and it's padded here, 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 and here. So all four sides are padded. The only thing with this Manfrotto case than the other Manfrotto cases, two sides were lined in a kind of felt lining. We haven't got a felt lining here, it's a nylon lining that's in here, so there's no felt in this one at all whatsoever, while with the other one which I reviewed, it had felt on the sides, on two sides. So it's quite a nice case. It's a waterproof case, so it will protect your camera from the elements, and it's very small. As you can see, it's very small, very handy. So if you're just looking to take just one lens, because it can only fit the lens that is what you bring with it on the camera. So you've got a small DSLR camera, and with the one lens it will just take it, no problem. So you can't bring spare lenses with this case at all. It's just one lens you can bring, and that has to be on the body of the camera. As I said, it's got a nice little pocket on the side here, so that can possibly take your flash unit in there, providing it's not a very big flash unit. So that would be quite alright for that. And as I said, there's a pocket at the top for your SD cards and batteries, which you can put at the top. So in conclusion, I think this is a very great little case, especially if you're going for a day shoot or half a day shoot and you don't want to bring a big bulky case with you. This Manfrotto holster camera bag case is quite good. Do us a favour, please give us a thumbs up, please like and subscribe, and please leave a comment down in the comment section down below. Thanks.